Hey guys, Tyler with MarineMax. Today we're on this Grady White 326 Canyon, powered by a pair of Yamaha outboards. The boat does have the joystick piloting system. Here on the transom, we've got a large insulated fish box with a large live well with a bait prep surface on top. Got a nice flip-up transom seat with bilge access below. Got a secondary live well here, as well as a sink with an extra little cutting surface. If you make your way to the helm, you'll see we've got twin Garmin MFD displays, as well as your VHF radio, your Yamaha Helmmaster, and your joystick control. As we make our way forward, you'll see we've got a nice big door on the side to get in your head compartment. There's plenty of space in here. I'm 5'8", and you can see there's still room for a taller guy than myself. And as we come towards the bow, you'll see we've got ample seating for days with the family. Or if you take these cushions off, it becomes a nice big casting platform with extra boxes below these side seats.